Hi, this is B from Sorcery Soap, and I wanted to share with you my excitement about the new books. The Magic of Soap Dough just came in yesterday. There's plenty available, I hope, and if you can see, this picture here was part of the collaboration. But there's so many pictures and tons of information, and some of the soaps featured in the book are available on the site, which is really a cool thing. And I just wanted you to see what it looks like in person, kind of in person, at least on video. Sometimes to see the book in person, or well, at least on video, helps to see what the book is. And you can read all about the book. I've got it detailed on the website about what's in it. There's 24 micro recipes, 3 soap dough recipes, how-to, step-by-step. It's much more pragmatic. It's much more how-to than the Enchanted Book of Peculiar Ideas and Soap Potions, which is on its way as I make this video. And that I'm truly excited about too, because they're both really a good way to understand soap dough and to inspire and get your creativity going in a new or different direction, if that's what you're interested in. And if you like soaps that have embellishments or that are detailed or whatever. Anyway, I wanted to share with you, one of the reasons I wrote this book too is because I was asked so many questions about my soaps, and there really wasn't any place to get those answers except for me, which was bizarre. And so 5 years later, here I am with an actual proper printed book. And I really couldn't be more pleased with this. I had this book printed, not this book, I had my first book printed a couple times with some print-on-demand things and stuff, and the quality was inferior, and for the price it wasn't good, and there was just a whole host of things. And I'm not that person that lets roadblocks stop me from doing something if I really want to do it and it seems like the next right thing to do, except that it never seemed like the right time. In the last few months, I think I started this printing process like 3 months ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, and I requested a couple quotes from people for large amounts of printed books. So that means that I hold the books. No one else has any right to sell these books but me. And anyway, so lots of people asked me to put this in print, and I started looking into it. And you want to know the one thing that I thought was the most important thing was that the publisher that I chose simply called me back. He said he wasn't sure I was clear about the quote because I did it online, and that is what tipped the scale for me. And I stopped shopping, and I had shopped enough that I knew that it was a reasonable situation, and he was so kind to me, and I had a couple hiccups and he helped me through them, and that's all it took. And so I do my very best to follow up with every single email, and thank you so much for all the emails and the comments and asking questions about soap dough and all that. And so, you know, like it really is about helping you understand and get your creativity going. There's over 300 free blog posts. There's free soap dough recipes on my website, 2 different types. And I try to send out information. I'll get better at sending out more information in the future. I'm doing research right now on maybe another book. And anyway, but I have these 2. So this is the first, and then the other one is, so this is the proof. And this soap right here is available on the website right now. So these 2, I chose to do an 8.5 by 8.5 square because it suited all the images and the layout much nicer. And then so did this one. So I didn't let myself get stuck on one idea, but I think they fit really nicely together. And anyway, I hope that it helps, and I hope you enjoy it. I personally really love printed books, and I couldn't be more happy with the whole situation. So this one will be available in probably 10 days, give or take. And this one's available now. So I just wanted to touch base and let you know what was going on. Thank you again. Have a great day.